Wouldn't you like for it to stay this good forever? Hand in hand, let's enjoy this time together. Nobody knows except for you and me.
Now we are talking about another source of propulsion, which is called weight shifting. And when we talk about weight shifting, we talk about the elbow, which is out of the water, which is weight. And then we use our lungs as a pivot. Once we get the elbow in front of the pivot, the hips will actually float up. So we use the guideline of our ear. Make sure that the elbow go in front of the ear, which is here, so that the hips actually float up. Another point, that is the back to front balance. Another part of the weight shifting we are talking about is, you see, as we get the elbow to the side and forward, the weight is actually at the side. So it helps us as a lever for the recovery to actually rotate to the other side fast. So when we talk about weight shifting, we talk about back to front balance using the elbow, shifting the weight in front, and we also talk about the elbow shifting the weight to the side so that it helps us in the rotation. So this is where weight shifting as a form of propulsion. Now we're going to take a look at how weight shifting help in the propulsion in the water. So later in the full swim, I want you to focus on elbow to the side and elbow in front of the ear. This is a full swim focus. So focus on when you finish your hands at the side, elbow round to the side, and then make sure it shifts to the front part of the ear. And make sure that the armpit open up and fingertips on the surface, and feel the weight before you rotate.